Welcome students. Today's class 12th computer science topic is also related with our previous topic, that was data file handling, and in today's topic we will see how to append to text file. Append is the meaning, you can take append as adding at the end. Append means if you want to add or if you want to write something at the end of the file, then that means appending to the file. So for that we will open idle first, and in it first we should have one text file in which you have some matter already written, and then we will write something in that file with the use of a program. For that we need to make a text file first. So for that I am opening a new file here. This is a text file in which we need to append. Now by saving this file we will be making a text file in which we will append. So I am making a file with the name app.txt, and we need to save this file in the same folder where your Python files are saved. Now we will close this file. You should remember the file name. File name is app.txt, and we have written only 2 lines in it. And now we will be appending in this file. Now we need to remember that while opening this file, first of all, you all know that we should remember that we are not directly writing into this file. We are going to first open this file, and then we want to write at the end in that file. So if you open this file we have made a file app. If you have opened this file, if you would have opened this file in W mode, then it means you are going to overwrite that file. So if you want to append in that file, you need to say the mode, use the mode A. A means append here. So now you can write in this file. For writing, you have learned in our previous topic that we have 2 functions for writing. One is write and another is write lines. Today I am using here only write function, f.write, and now you can say this is my third line. Okay, you can write anything. Again you are using f.write, and again you are saying this is my 4th line. So in this way you can write your different messages or different data in your file at the end. So now you need to close this file, and if you try to open this file now, app.txt file, you need to change it. All files or text file you can select here. We have made the file name app.txt, this one. So this is our file becomes. You should see here we have seen this is my third line, और जो 4th line का मैसेज है वो बिल्कुल just at the end of the third line पे ही आया है, because you have not used any /n or enter character. If you want to use enter character, then you need to use /n here. मैं वो भी करके दिखा रही हूँ। तो दोबारा से हम फाइल ओपन कर रहे हैं, सेम app.txt with the mode A means append. Again I am going to write in this file. So अब कहाँ राइट होगा? दिस इज माई 4th लाइन, ये हमारा एंड है पोजीशन हमारी फाइल में अब, तो इसके बाद ही राइट होगा. देन आई एम सेइंग f.write एंड 3rd की बजाय अब हम यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं 5th लाइन. ओके, एंड यू कैन यूज हेयर \n also, but so in the same way f.close, if you say f.close here, then now if you open this file, try to open this file, this is the file, your file. अब यहाँ पे जो 5th लाइन आई है वो एंटर लग के आई है, बिकॉज मैंने जो राइट में स्टार्टिंग में क्या कहा, \n मीन्स पहले प्रिंट होने से पहले क्या हो, वहां पे एक एंटर लगे और फिर आपका मैसेज या जो भी डाटा है, लाइन है, वो आपकी तब प्रिंट हो वहां पे. इन दिस वे यू कैन राइट मल्टीपल लाइन्स इन योर फाइल. सो टुडे वी हैव सीन use of A mode A, append mode over a text file, and further we will see how to use binary files in our next topic.